So the reduction reactions that you need to know, this is just for HL organic chemistry. We already learned one reduction reaction that had to do with nitrobenzene being turned into phenylamine, which was a two-step process in the benzene lecture. But now we're going to look at the reduction of carbonyl compounds. So essentially all this is it's the reverse of the oxidation of alcohol reactions. So you can turn carboxylic acids back into primary alcohols, you can turn aldehydes back into primary alcohols, and you can turn ketones back into secondary alcohols. Those are the three reactions to know. The things that you need to do that, there's two possible reducing agents that you could use. One is known as lithium aluminum hydride, or LiAl. I realize I have a little typo here. AlH4. If you use that one, the lithium aluminum hydride needs to be done in a dry ether solution, or that means it's an anhydrous solution. There's no water. Okay, another thing to remember about the lithium aluminum hydride is that this is, of the two you are supposed to learn about, is these reducing agents. It's the more reactive of the two. That makes it less safe, but it's also the only reactant you can use to do this first reduction. It's the only thing that's strong enough at reducing that it can reduce a carboxylic acid to an alcohol. It can also reduce these other ones down. But the second one, the sodium borohydride, NaBH4, which is done in aqueous or alcoholic solution, is safer but not reactive enough to reduce the carboxylic acids down. So you could use the sodium borohydride one to reduce aldehydes to alcohols or ketones to alcohols. Both reducing agents produce the hydride ion, H-, and that's a very powerful nucleophile that can remove oxygen from the carbonyl compounds. And so you might see that in a reaction as plus H, indicating that you're adding this reducing agent of hydrogen. Remember that one of the old definitions of reduction was adding hydrogen, and so essentially this is providing you with lots and lots of H as the H- ion. That's really all you need to know for reduction. You need to know that those oxidized forms can get turned back into alcohols. You need to know the two different reducing agents by name and formula, that they produce the hydride ion, and the conditions that go along with them. You should also know that the LiAlH4 is the only one strong enough to do carboxylic acid to alcohol.